Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and change currency on Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, we have the chat, and here we have the account with all of the settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change currency on Payhip. First of all, go to www.payhip.com, here as I told you in the start of the video, and click on the store link, which is the third link. Then click on the domains tab, which is the third tab here. And then you need to go and click on the payment details tab. Of course, when you go and connect your domain, choose the currency you want to use for your store from the list of available options. Click Save to apply the changes. Then visit your store to ensure that the currency has been updated correctly. By following these steps, you can easily change the currency on your Payhip store. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.